Take a look at this phantom wallet. $6.2 million all made from launching meme coins. No trading, no guessing, just smart launches. I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Now, just a couple months ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day, but there's a reason why I stopped. Trading meme coins felt like gambling. It was fast, stressful, and draining. Every single time I bought inside a meme coin, I got completely dumped on. Now, that's exactly when I switched my entire strategy. I went from trading to launching, and it was the best decision of my life. Why? Because when you launch, you set the rules, you control the chart, and the liquidity. You're not praying for pumps, you are creating them. For example, you have nothing to lose because you are basically creating a coin for free. It costs $0 to make, and then you're waiting for buyers organically, and when the market cap is really high, you just dump and you make a lot of fucking bread. Obviously, this is all for educational purposes only. Please do not copy me. This whole video is for entertainment purposes only. It's all fake. And yeah, bro, keep watching because I am going to teach you guys exactly how to launch your very first meme coin and make some bread. Now, most people, when they want to make some money, with launching meme coins, they go directly to Pump.Fun. Now, let me tell you why Pump.Fun is not good. Because Pump.Fun used to be great, but now it's packed. New coins die out before anyone even sees them. You don't control your own liquidity of your own coin, which means you cannot even cash out your profits from the site because you don't control the liquidity, and it takes too long for your coin to migrate. That's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because this platform fixes everything. Every coin launches directly to Raydium. It gets immediately migrated, which means it will be shown to thousands of potential traders and is tradable right away. You control the liquidity, the visibility, and you get more profits. Create tokens.io is why thousands of devs are coming to this website. Now, there's two ways to launch. The first way is to start from scratch a whole new meme coin. Now, go on X, for example, which is like Twitter, and look for something trending that you could possibly create a meme coin on. Let me see what is good. Nah, that's bad. Just look for any narrative, okay? I have friends who simply go on Google and they type in news, and then they make any coin on these news articles. That's a possibility too. You can go on Instagram, you can go on TikTok. But yeah, once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, invent a name, create a symbol, then add the quick image for your meme coin, and just like that, it's custom created on the blockchain. But the second method, bro, it's my favorite play and the most profitable, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, basically, you're cloning what's already hot on Pump.Fun. Every single coin here, is fucking insane. They're already viral and they're already proven to get buyers. Because the traffic's already built in, you get instant buyers and real volume the moment it launches. All you have to do is just copy one and it will go directly onto the Raydium DEX. Both methods work, but the second one, that's where the real flips happen. Now that you know the strategy, let's make it real. I'm launching this token live so you can see the full process play out step by step. So first of all, make sure you have the Phantom extension and just, link it to the website. Then click on the refresh list button and let's look for a coin to copy. I think I'm going to go with the Hazion coin. It has a last buy 9 seconds ago. It has a Telegram and an X and a $20,000 market cap. So it looks decent. Click on create coin and it will copy it. Then ignore the warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. Just go through it. So proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. Let's see in a couple seconds. Boom. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's crucial. We're adding your own liquidity. It's what connects your token to Raydium and opens the market for real buyers and volume. There's two easy steps. The first step is for the amount token A right here. This is basically the tokens that's going inside your pool. Just click the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own project, the move that activates your market. You are not losing SO here. It's a temporary lock to start trading. The minimum is 0.3 SO, and once you remove the liquidity later, it all comes back to you, so you do not have to worry about anything. I'm gonna put 0.35 SO, just a bit more than 0.3 SO to be safe, and then click on create pool. And by the way, bro, you will get it back later, okay? Then click on confirm. Once that's done, click on refresh, scroll down, and boom, the Hazion coin is on live. Our profits are at $0 USD. And of course, click on refresh to, refresh here. And boom, we're up $200 USD. Click on view on Photon to see the official chart, or you can go on Axiom or on Nova, go wherever you want. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the fucking coin. Now let's see what fucking happens. Let's go fucking pump. 1.5k market cap, 1k liquidity. Things are looking good. We're getting a shit ton of buyers. Come on, pump, 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 pump. This is why I love deving meme coins, because bro, it's oh my god, bro! We just got a fucking big buy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Even more buys. What the fuck? Okay, let's fucking dump the coin right now, bro. Fuck it. Come on, bro. Let's go. Oh my god, guys. Live on camera. It is shooting the fuck up, guys. You guys need to tap in with launching coins, bro. I hate trading meme coins, and I love launching because, bro, this coin costed us $0 to fucking create, and we're getting all of these organic fucking customers. Let's fucking go, bro. Come on, push up, bro. Push up. 2.3k market cap, 1.3k liquidity, bro. This is fucking insane. Come on, bro. Oh my god, $70. Come on now. Come on. Push up, push up, push up. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. Go higher, bro. Okay, guys. I'm going to give this coin a bit of time for it to pump, and I am going to be right back when the time is right. Okay, I am back. We are pushing $5,000 in market cap. The liquidity is fucking high. Everything is looking good. The volume is good. The percentage is good. We're still getting buyers to this day, and well, till the second, my bad, and it's in an uptrend. So if you want to make some money, right, you could wait longer for more buyers, but I am going to dump the coin right now. So come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button to check your all-time profits. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1,720, which is like 500%, with a 4.9k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the fucking coin. Oh my god. And now as you guys can see, we are going to receive 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much we made, boom, $1,700 straight inside my Phantom wallet, and it's all real. Now guys, before you go ahead and go launch your meme coin, bro, if you have any questions or doubts, DM me on Twitter, on X, my bad, on X, at j.crypto or at jflips, okay? And yeah, bro, good luck.